guys. It's going to be me, Rara, and more Raven. Best of 5. Which team? Each 5 wins. This guy sucks. Go, Siglin. Go to your place. Siglin, go. Siglin. Ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Please. Okay, let's go. What did you bro? But it goes. 1-0 for them. 1-0 for them. And here comes the comeback. And go. Wait. We won, yes, 1-1. You have bullets? Okay, so now we're doing 1-1. So first, table you're against me. I have 3 bullets. Wait, Abra, my bullet is not okay. Now it's okay. Okay, let's start. On your mark, let's go. Did I get it? Hands up in the air. Hands up. Freeze. Why are you happy? I just touched the bullet. Right, literally touched. I literally touched. Listen, people let the bullet down. Give me They were dead, yeah? I shot him. 3. Wait. Who am I against? Me and Wako. Then, if Wako wins, we'll go to the final. It's like finals. Okay. Okay, so ready? 3, 2, 1. Get up the car. Oh, I know what he wants to do. Then what is one shot? 360.